No, it's fundamental to existence itself.
Wow.
Absolutely. The sources go so far as to state that every atom is considered sentient,
Every atom.
but they immediately contextualize this. It's not sentient in the human sense, of course. It's sentient only on a local level and on timescales that can range from the infinitesimal to the infinite.
And the consciousness of an atom is defined as what?
Fundamentally, no more than a primitive desire to connect and refine.
So that moment when a hydrogen atom bonds with an oxygen atom to form water, that is the fulfillment of a primitive conscious desire to connect and refine itself into a new, more complex structure.
Yes, it's chemistry driven by an internal fundamental need.
And this is the engine of complexity.
This primitive desire inevitably leads to the ever-increasing complexity as fractal into life. And the critical fractal idea here is that each point carrying the seed of the whole.
That's the profound part, isn't it? It means the yearning for unity that creates gravity also contains the blueprint for the human mind yearning for enlightenment. So the desire we feel to bond with a partner or to seek truth is the exact same force, just scaled up, that binds protons and neutrons together.
The seed of the entire system, that ultimate goal of radiant completion, is carried by the smallest possible particle. It connects the micro to the macro perfectly.
So the same tension, the one between the desire to unify, which is gravity or consciousness, and the differences in trajectory.
Momentum, ego.
That's what creates all the physical and psychological complexity we experience. We are complex because the journey toward unity is complex. It's fraught with these near misses and endless dances.
It changes the entire conversation about what life is. We're not just complex chemical reactions. We are the culmination of the universe's attempt to fulfill its original conscious desire for connection.
If gravity is this universal yearning, we need to talk about what flows when that yearning interacts, and that substance is energy. But the sources immediately challenge our traditional linear understanding of it.
They do.
Energy, they say, is subject to dimensional collapse.
Yes. So what we perceive as energy, say a burst of heat or light, is actually collapsed from higher dimensional interactions. And the source gives a specific example, a time-spatial 4D spiral.
A 4D spiral. So if we could perceive reality in 4 dimensions, including time, we would see energy as this perfect spiraling motion.
Correct. But when that spiral is observed in our 3D space, it sort of flattens out.
Right. And that collapse makes energy seem like a familiar wave on a 2D plane.
Like the sine waves we use to describe light or sound. Or, if you simplify it even further, it looks like a single-dimensional line running from an origin, a cause, to a destination, a result.
That's our basic physics right there. Cause and effect, start and finish.
But the